So guys, I have finally received my Nemo Powertools MaxPlanck 15000, which is a 15,000 lumen video light, no borders, so soft cone, and well, supposedly with 7000K white balance temperature and 15,000 lumen of white light, and also a UV more advanced mode than it was in the first series of the flashlights. I do have 3 of the MaxPlanck 6000, which together they sum up to 18, of course, and now I have 2 of these. I want to do an unboxing of this because you deserve to know how it arrives to you. And so here it is. It can actually be this box or another one smaller, because what's inside is actually smaller. Let's open it, and you'll see that I like to open from the bottom because it comes easier. Like so, as you can see, it goes with the plastic, and you got the box. So the thing is, we are going to use the video light for video underwater and some photography, because I do believe that 15,000 lumen on 2 sides, it will give me enough light for some macro and some, well, close-up shots. Of course, we cannot use them for ambience or wide angle because it will not cover, or it will not light up enough in water. Of course, it will light up the environment. It's a light, okay, but its main goal for me is to get color back, because I do live in Portugal. At Portugal we have greenish waters, and green waters are very bad for video. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, so it's a box, and we have several features here, like this, which says that it's powerful UV mode, which actually it's very, very powerful. We have the 15 lumen here, and one of the greatest things of this dive light is that it can actually replace the batteries underwater. So while you are working or playing video, if you have extra batteries that you can carry with you, and well, it will be easy to just switch them while in the dive. This is rated at 1 hour at the maximum power. We need to test if that 1 hour is with a steady light intensity, or if the light intensity will decay during that hour. We will have the test here, and we will do it in speed mode, so we won't have to wait an hour, of course. We'll do a movie, and I'll take a frame from the start and a frame from the end. We will compare both to see what kind of decay the light intensity has, because in video we don't want any light decay. We rather have the light fully shut down whenever the power is not enough to keep the same intensity, because otherwise we will have to be constantly changing the ISO or the aperture or the shutter speed for the backlight compensation. Okay, underwater you know how it works. Next step, let's open the box and see what's inside. So let's see the unboxing. It comes like this, with a manual inside. Okay, it has a very good manual in English. Warranty notice. Okay, a warning card saying to remove the battery whenever it's not in use. This is the ball mount. The ball mount doesn't have that O-ring in turn of it, because it has a kind of rubber curvature. Looks like a cover that is made of rubber. Of course, the GoPro mounts. Oh, with a 3M stitch, not that. So we have a GoPro mount that you can actually attach to the dive light. Yeah, basically a GoPro. Okay. So these two are okay. Let's put it here with the 3M thing. And then you have this. It's very well accommodated. It doesn't actually vibrate or anything. It's hard foam, and this is heavy. Wow. This is the head, and it's a very different head, if you can see. Okay, So this is 6000, this is 15. Of course, the number of LEDs is totally different, but the construction of the head is also different. Although it's the same diameter, or actually the same diameter, yeah, it's a little bit wider, about half a millimeter. They have the same kind of buttons, although no, yeah, these are larger a little bit than these, but it's a head, and it's completely different from this one where you used 18650 batteries. This one has interchangeable battery that you can change underwater. So let's put it like in here, and we'll see the battery. Also, oh, by the way, the matte tone that this has, instead of shiny one, it's very, very pleasant to the eye. And okay, so you have these holes here, and you have a guiding one, and two guides here, one guide and this one, which is larger than this. You can only fit it on one direction here, so there is no actual way to have this placed in wrong view. Oh yeah, it's here. So we have a plug. This is for Europe, okay, Portugal, and you have, yeah, the charger itself. Okay, so with a special plug to also fit here. So you probably want to charge the plug, and then you will see if there is a LED here. This indicator will turn red while charging and green when fully charged. Okay, so this is it for the unboxing.